Yoel Iriarte is set to go down against Rock Dodler Murthill. Rock Dodler, also popular as Prince Rock, is originally from Haiti, but he lives in Los Angeles. He escaped the Treasures Island and he's 5 foot 10 72 inches of reach. Well, this fellow lost to Kenneth Sims and Kevin Johnson at a draw against Jesus Ramon Lugo. And I don't know how they gave him Iriarte. He was so dominant earlier in the early stages of his career. He hasn't fought for a while, and they gave him the most prominent, the most dangerous potential of the division. 6 foot 1, 74 inches of reach. Fighter out of Bakersfield, California. Yoel Iriarte, who defeated Eduardo Hernandez Trejo, Kevin Johnson, Marcos Jimenez, Darrell Harris. He knocked out almost every single opponent, and I think this is a slam dunk for Yoel Iriarte. I'm pretty confident that Yoel Iriarte gets the job done and potentially knocks his opponent out.